What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see I was out here messing with R&B. Let me see, somebody calling. Let me see, I don't know who that is, but anyway, hold on, they finna get the reject. I don't know who that is. Yeah. But I was out here messing with R&B, contemplating whether I'm finna put that tack in. Cause I need that tack in, man. I've been had it. But the way these things ran, boy, they put this in the right way. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But I believe they were put in when the dash, I believe the dash was took out this joker. I'm definitely ain't taking it out. And I probably can pull it. I probably can pull it and pull these wires, and they probably tuck down in there real good. But the way they got them ran, I pulled them a little bit. I believe they took the dash out this joker. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. So I was like, nope, that's a no-go. And I need that piece right here, man. I need to find that piece in blue. If anybody got that for the steering column and to cover it up, I need that in blue, man. I've been looking for it. So I want to get that. I ain't trying to change my interior. I want to keep this all original looking. The seats are already not factory seat, but they're a nice touch. So I want to keep it like it is, man. I like it. But I was out here messing with that, man. But I had mentioned that I was gonna make sure I ain't lock the hooks and lock them keys. Now cover this joker back up. And once again, y'all see another day like it gonna rain. It's about to rain. So ain't too much going on nowhere. Can't do too much in the rain. But I'm gonna cover this thing back up, and then I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Alright, so I got this thing covered up. Trying to get it done for the rain, man. Sometimes you got video like this, man, where you just gotta holler at y'all or whatever. Keep y'all in the loop, cause y'all don't be knowing what's going on or whatever. Cause a lot of people don't listen. But like I said, and look, I'm finishing this month out. I'm just saying this. I'm finishing this month out over here on this channel with the car stuff. And then I meant what I said, man. This junk ain't all about money to me. I already know it's gonna be crazy transitioning as far as the money. Like I said, I keep it transparent with y'all. Cause JMalcom 2004 rides, I haven't been uploading over there like full length vlogs in a minute. I've been doing shorts and stuff, but I'm gonna transition back over there with straight car stuff. It's gonna be straight to the point, man. Straight car stuff. It ain't gonna be no real talk, none of that. So this over here gonna be what it's supposed to be, like I am going right now, life of JMalcom. If I'm doing some car stuff every now and then, it will be. If I'm enjoying the RC car with the family, it gonna be that. If I'm doing a car talk, I ain't no telling who the guest will be, it gonna be that. That's what it gonna be, man. So I'm just telling people right now, you know, if you into just one sole particular type of content, or if you want to see straight me just do straight RC cars, you ain't gonna see that. I mean, I'm just telling people, cause you can unsubscribe, whatever, so it won't be clogging up your feed. Or you can just, if you think, you know, you just want to hop over here like a lot of people do, they ain't subscribed necessarily, but they do check in. I know that for a fact. They drop in to see, you know, you can do that. But, you know, I want my subscription list to sort itself out to where it's people that's really tuned in to everything. Over here, that's what I want over here, and that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna get. Everywhere else, I really don't care. You know, it is what it is. That's why I keep it laser focused. Like my drag racing channel, I love my drag racing channel. That's what it is, just drag racing. That's what it is. It ain't nothing with me. I ain't on the camera. None of that. It's just featuring people cars, some fast, sick cars and stuff. But this over here, I'm gonna debut my new car over here, and that's probably gonna be one of the last things of everyday car related content, like meat stuff gonna end up transitioning over there. Besides the BCG Hangout, y'all know y'all see everything, even behind the scenes stuff and all of that. So I'm trying to think of everything before I get into what this video really about. But yeah, man, like I said, this channel is called Life with JMalcom. I done went over this before, man. It don't get me, but I find it comical when people be like, man, you need to get back to this, or I want to see more of this content, man. Hey, man, this Life with JMalcom. Whatever I put up is what I put up at the end of the day. So, you know, and I enjoy making content with my people too. Not just my family, but my extended family. Like, I like making content, different type of stuff. So, you know, I don't really be sweating the view counts on the stuff. I did sweat the view counts on, like I said, that video where the visually impaired people though, cause I was serious about that. All the other stuff, hey man, it just is what it is. Like, I do the fitness stuff, but make it fun. People, you know, you have people look at it here and there, but I don't really care. I don't care about that. It is what it is. But like, I am gonna transition. I meant what I said. I am gonna transition, and I'm gonna move back over to JMalcom 2004 Rides channel, which gonna be straight car content, and that's all it's gonna be. Like, it ain't gonna be. You wanna hear real talk and stuff, you ain't gonna hear it over there. I'm just keeping it real. Like, it's just gonna be car, this and that. I'm gonna engage with the people in the comment section, but not too much. That channel kind of carry itself. Over here is my stats show it all, man. Over here, that's what I'm saying. That's how you know over here is more loyalty as far as viewership, because my stat, it's one stat that shows it, man. But that just shows it out of all my other channels. But anyway, we got that out the way. I digress from that. The car. The reason y'all have not saw the car, cause I know y'all wonder. That's my pulling up. But I know y'all wonder, what the car at, Jay? Is Jay clickbaiting us and this and that? Nah, I ain't clickbaiting y'all. It's a move being made on the car. I just bought it, but it's a move being made on the car, and the move got to get made first. The move got to get made first, and y'all gonna see the car. So I seen all the guesses, man. It's some good guesses, boy. It's good guesses. Definitely some good guesses. But the reason y'all haven't seen it is a combination of weather, which weather ain't that serious, cause I would have been and went and got it. But I'm making a move on the car too. Hey, it's a move. It's a move being made on the car already, basically. So hopefully, to be realistic with y'all might see it the end of next week is when I'll probably debut it, honestly. Cause I want to make the move first. Or it might be the beginning of next week. I might debut it. I don't know. Y'all gonna see it. It's gonna be the beginning or the end of next week, man. It just depends on how I'm feeling. But I'm making a move on it already. And then I already got plans for it. Like, stuff gonna roll kind of fast. Stuff gonna roll kind of fast. And like I said, man, I'm literally, like I said in the previous video, I got 3 cars I'm touching right now at a time. I literally got 3 cars, man, that I'm touching. And then, you know, with Dolo, I got an update coming on Dolo too, man. I gotta give y'all an update on it, cause I gotta get that joker back running, man. I gotta get that joker back running. Then we got John Jones. Look at that joker, man. We got John Jones, man. I'm about to do the official contest on it in video. I'm gonna drop the video telling people how to enter and all of that, man. I got all of that coming. I'm gonna have a universal place where everybody can go, and I'm gonna make it simple and stuff. And when it feels, then we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna roll with it as soon as it feels, man. And then somebody gonna win it, man. With John Jones, I'm gonna do an official video on it. Like I said, describing how you win, contest details, all of that. And I will say this ahead of time, like whoever wins out of state and stuff, you know, not the buyer, the winner responsible for pickup, you know, so it's something good to know. But it will be leaving, cause right now I got 6 cars. I got 6 old schools, man. We got the new one about to come to the house. Like I said, I got 6 old school, man. I'm about to be on that one real heavy. Y'all gonna love it. I promise y'all gonna love it. But yeah, that's the reason why I have not brought it to the house. Why y'all ain't saw it yet? Because I'm making a move already. Like, the move got to be made before it come home. That's all simple. I mean, that's all I can say without giving away too much. I don't want to give away too much, man. But I got a package coming. But I already know what for. Hold on, I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all, just got the little packet, man, right here. They're for the RC car. If you saw that video, then you already saw I had these wheelie board, man. I'm finna put them on tonight. Cause y'all know I had a mishap, man, so I'm about to put them on tonight. But yeah, I mean, it's just literally that simple. I mean, I can't give y'all too much, man, but just know, boy, I got some plans, boy. I got some plans. Just y'all know how it is. When a new car come, man, that's what you about to see, man. You're gonna see content on it. But like I said, a lot of it gonna be on JMalcom 2004 ride, man. I'm gonna transition. I'm gonna do a reintroduction on that channel, cause still a lot of people on that channel that don't even know about life of JMalcom. So they don't even know, unless they done stumbled across the video. They don't. Some of them people probably don't even know how many cars I got now. Cause when I left off over there, I ain't had a brown coat. I'm trying to remember if I had R&B. I think I did. I can't remember if I had stocked already or not. But I know he had a brown coat. I think most of John Jones content was shot over there, man. The ride racks today. But I can't even remember R&B content over there. I have to go back and look. But I know I ain't had a brown coat, and I definitely had it new. And we ain't had the BCG Pro mod, man. Which I still got planned for that. I already shot a lot of stuff for that too. I just ain't dropped. Cause I'm just trying to schedule out. But y'all gonna see the car, man. I know some people probably think I'm playing around, but y'all gonna see a car, man. Y'all gonna see it. A few of my close people that watch here, they already know. They can vouch for me in the comment. I got something. Y'all just gotta wait, man. I got something. I had been telling people, man. Like I said, I had a rough week last week. Cause none of my stuff, my collab didn't go with plan. All my junk down, man, and it just put me in that mode, man. It put me in that mode like, hey, it's time to get right, man. It's time to apply some pressure. I ain't applied no pressure in a long time. Which is why I cashed out. I skint down on meats, man. I dropped the bag on meats, cause I'm like, man, you know what, I'm finna get that car running. I'm finna have everything in my fleet running at the same time, man. That been one of my goals that I never achieved, to have everything running at the same time. That's why I'm kind of trying to hold off on the contest a little bit with John Jones, because I literally want meats here, and I want to have that. I want to get that video, everything running at the same time, even with the new one, like everything just running. It sounds like a thunderstorm at the same time. But like, man, I got 6 cars with all pressure, and everything got pressure. That's one of my goals, man. Then after that, John Jones will leave, and I'll replace it with something else. Man. Cause like I said, I want balanced variety in the fleet or whatever. So I definitely be replacing it with something else, man. But it served its purpose. But anyway, that's it for this video, man. It was just an update telling y'all why the car ain't here yet. But just know it's coming. It's coming, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.